Building is here. We're taking a little tour around the very first 3D printed community.
Yeah, Ashley Williams is in Olivehurst this morning giving us that tour. Hey, Ashley.
This is incredible. You just mentioned it, guys. This is the future of home building. Imagine this. Half the cost, a quarter of the time. This is, as you just said, the first code-compliant 3D printed housing community on the West Coast. It's incredible, and it's really cool to kind of see the first home being built. This is Nan Lynn. Good to see you. Good morning.
What's going on, Ashley? How's it going, everyone?
This is so cool. So we're obviously at the construction site, and we're watching this in real time.
Right.
A printer building a house. Please explain.
Yeah, so this is a 3D printer, and essentially it's printing a house. It's as simple as that.
Yeah.
It's made out of concrete, and without red tape, we can print a whole house in about 3 to 5 days. With all the red tape, with all the learning curves on the very first one, we're looking at 2 to 3 months.
Yeah, it really is such a really cool process, which we'll take a deeper dive into the technology behind it. I do want to show you guys some renderings. So you're seeing this from the outside live, but let's show you guys these photos. Do you guys do everything? I mean, it's turnkey, right? So, I mean, from the shell to the inside to electrical to plumbing, you do it all.
So if we have somebody that wants us to help them build a home, we would share with them our contacts, our architects, structural engineers, help them design everything, and then we would build everything from ground up all the way to a finished product, turnkey home for them.
It's great. Okay, so I want to talk about why this matters in California. You know, we talk about wildfire season. We've seen tragic situations where homes are burned to the ground.
Yeah.
So for you guys, why is this going to make a difference in California?
You know, this technology has been around for a very long time, and the application of this technology now is more important than ever. These homes are fire resistant, earthquake resistant, pest, mold, water resistant. I mean, these will have metal roofs on top.
Yeah.
So if you're talking about application in places where it's prone to fire, this is it. And it's quick to build and it's efficient. There's no waste, little to no waste.
So again, this is an Olivehurst. How many how many homes will be built on this property?
Yeah, so for this first property, we're doing a trial run. Essentially, we want a proof of concept. So we're doing 5 here, and then we have 16 lined up in Sacramento.
Yeah. A question I had, Court and John for Nan a little bit earlier was, if somebody's watching right now and they said, hey, we unfortunately lost our home because of a wildfire, we still own the property, but there's not a house standing, can they call you and say, hey, come build a home on my property?
I would love to help some of these fire victims to restore their home or to build a new home for them. They contact us. We get our architects involved, structural engineers involved. We help them create a new home or design a new home, and then we'll build it for them from ground up.
Yeah, I mean, this has not been an easy thing to start, I know, but the manufacturer, I mean, there's a lot of partners and people behind it.
Yeah, there's a lot of people behind this. As you guys can see on the gantry itself, on the 3D printer, SQ4D is the manufacturer of the 3D printer. They're based out of New York. And then the design of the homes is from Endemic Architecture. And then the structural engineer is Hewitt Consulting. And for us, we're 4Dify, we're the developers, and we own the machine, yeah.
Congratulations. It's really cool, guys. The first on the West Coast, and it's in Olivehurst. So imagine several of these homes on one property, a 3D printed home community. The future of home building as the train goes by. We'll toss it back over to you.
That is really, really cool. Thank you, Ashley.